That is a gorilla, daddy-o, big-time, gigundous, buzzbait, stupendous bass right there, friends. Gotta love it. You gotta love it.
Granted, I don't have any control over the weather, but we are fighting some seriously adverse conditions. It's water temperature's 58 degrees, and it's probably 60 outside. I mean, it snowed a week ago. I had a half an inch of snow in my front yard in Orange County, which is just uncalled. It's just not heard of. You know, we're gonna make the best of it, and in the right conditions, this place, there's not a lake on the West Coast that can compare to this little hole.
Right there, Keith.
Boom.
Woo! Go, got him. Woo!
Nice, Keith. Debbie, come here, right here.
Where?
There's the fish, there's the bed. Put it right on that bed.
It's about as freeze as I could. Oh, turtle.
Oh, turtle, nice. There he comes. Hit him, hit him.
Whoa!
Keep him down. Now lift him up. You got it.
He fished me. I'm been slimed.
Okay, let's remember we're...
Okay, good
There
job.
you go, girl. Nice work. He ain't what we're looking for, but he is a bass.
Yes, settle.
Nice work.
Hot dog. Thanks. Thanks, honey.
You smell fishy.
I smell gulpy.
Look.
I've been slimed.
See him right on top of you now? Switch it. Boom!
Oh! Did I get him?
You
I
stuck him.
stuck him and I missed him.
Working on the wind, and the whole key behind this method of fishing is just it's a real precise technique, and you're either on them or off them. It's not, they're not going to come up and eat it. They're totally just defending their nest, and we're kind of taking advantage of that characteristic of them at this time of the year. It gets a bit frustrating, but the rewards are incredibly rewarding. Looks like Keith's on one right now.